If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. In QuickBooks, you have access to four main centers called the Customer Center, the Vendor Center, the Employee Payroll Center, and the Report Center. These centers let you perform tasks related to the topic of the center. For example, you can add new customers to a company file by using the Customer Center. We will examine the tasks you can perform within the centers later in this tutorial within their associated chapters. However, you should learn how to open the centers now. You can open the centers in many ways in QuickBooks. To open the centers by using the home page in QuickBooks, click the Employees, Customers, or Vendors buttons at the top of those sections to open the associated center. To open a center by using the icon bar, click the associated button, like Customers, within the icon bar. You can also access each center under the associated command category within the menu bar. So, for example, you can also access the Customer Center by selecting Customers, Customer Center from the menu bar. Each center appears in its own window, which you can close by clicking the X button in the upper right corner of the window when you are finished using it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.